going to teach you how to make apple crisp, or as you like to call it, apple swirl. Okay, so first I have to preheat the oven. Okay, I'm turning on the oven. And I want to make it at 375. Right now it's 350. So I'm going to turn it up to 375 and press start. I'm taking all of the apples that I cut up and sliced up, and I'm putting them into this pan. So they're all nicely arranged in the pan. And then I'm going to pour in a little bit of cranberry juice. So I got my cranberry juice. I'm going to pour in just a little bit. Now that I have the apples and the cranberry juice all stirred up, I'm going to add the dry ingredients on top. I've got flour, sugar, brown sugar, and oatmeal. I also put in cinnamon. Poured it all into the bowl, and now I'm going to put what's in the bowl on top of the apple crisp. Spreading this all over the apple crisp. Very good. I'm going to spread it out. Use my spoon to spread it all out so we have a nice crust on top. It's going to be so good and delicious. Very good. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some butter on the top, because the butter is what's going to make everything crisp up and be brown and yummy. Here's my butter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it up into little slices and spread it over the top of the apple crisp. Okay, so I'm taking my butter. I'm going to make little slices of butter with a very gentle knife. See how the See, the whole pan is covered with little chunks of butter, and that's what's going to make it so nice and golden crisp and delicious. And now the oven is nice and hot, and it's time to put the apple crisp into the oven. Always let Nonna or Mama or Daddy or Papa do this. You do not touch the oven because it's really hot. Okay, here it goes, right into the oven. Okay, you see it there? And I'm going to close the oven and give it 25 minutes. Now that it's baking in the oven, we have to put everything away. Now that everything is put away, I can clean up the dishes and ready for the apple crisp to bake in the oven. Something smells really good. I think it's the apple crisp. Yeah, see, the timer on the oven says END. That spells end. That means that the apple crisp is ready. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Look at how it's bubbling on the edges. That means it's really, really hot and crisp and ready to go. Okay, Ren, I'm using a hot pad and oven mitts to take out the apple crisp because I don't want to burn my hands. Here we go. Oh, not only does it look good, it smells so good. I'm going to be super careful taking it out of the oven. I'm going to close the oven, and I want to turn it off. Upper oven. Oh, doesn't that look amazing? Okay, I'm ready when you are. Let's eat some apple crisp.